With the Content Upgrades plugin, you can offer free bonus content to your users in exchange for their email addresses to add to your mailing list. To get started with Content Upgrades, you'll go to the Content Upgrades page in your site's dashboard. You'll start by clicking the Add New Content Upgrade button. First, you'll want to give your content upgrade item a title. When you create your title, keep in mind that this text will be used as the download button on the front end. Next, you will upload your bonus content to your media library or select an existing file. Next, under the Pop-Up tab, you'll start by giving your pop-up a headline. So this will be the window that will open for your customers where they can enter their name and email address. Next, you'll enter a description. Your next option is your button text. So this will be the button that your users click to submit their information. Next, you'll want to determine if you want this pop-up to preload on specific pages and posts. If so, you'll enter that information here. In the behavior section, you'll determine whether or not you want the user to receive the download link immediately, or if you just want them to receive that by email. If you want them to see the download link immediately, be sure to enable this feature. With this enabled, you'll also be able to customize the text in the download pop-up. You also have the option to enable social sharing buttons. If you enable this, you can also create your custom sharing label. If you would like your user redirected to a thank you page, for example, after submitting their information, you can enable the redirect here and then enter your redirect URL. Lastly, you'll determine whether or not you want to enable the exit intent pop-up. So this means if your customer is leaving the viewing area, that this pop-up would automatically come up for them if you have this feature enabled. Under the Emails tab, you can enable both the email to the user and an email to the administrators. If you enable the email to the user, it will send them an email which you can customize here and can include the download link. So if under the pop-up tab, you disabled the feature where they receive the download link immediately, you'll want to make sure to include that download link in the email. The email to administrators will notify any administrators that you enter here of any submissions of the content upgrade form. Once you've created and published your content upgrade item, you'll be able to find the information for anyone who has submitted the form under the Entries tab. The Insert tab shows you how to add this pop-up to your content. For instance, you can use the call to action box, which is a short code, or you can copy and paste the link into your content as well. If you're using Facebook ads or Google Analytics, under the Miscellaneous tab, you can enable these events to occur whenever the form is submitted. You can also create your own custom trigger event. Once you finish creating and customizing your content upgrade item, be sure to click the Publish button. Now that I've created my content upgrade item, I'm ready to add it to my page. In this example, I'm going to use the call to action option. So I'm coming into my content here, and I'm going to add my shortcode block where I will then paste in the shortcode I copied under the Insert tab. So now we can see the call to action here in my content. If I click the button, my header, description, and my custom button text all show where the user can enter their information. Now that the user has submitted their information, they can download their free content.